Google keeps asking for a phone number when you try to create a Gmail account. In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you a method that can help you create Gmail without phone verification. First of all, open YouTube app on your phone. Now click on Profile icon. On top, click on Accounts. Here, click on plus sign. Google Sign In option will open. Here, tap on Create Account option. Select for my personal use. Here enter your first and last name. Here enter your birthday details and gender information. Here create Gmail address or select from the suggestions. You can also create your own Gmail address and tap Next. Now enter your password and confirm it. So in this way, you can create your account without phone number verification. Did it work for you? Comment below and tell us if you created your Gmail account successfully. If it helps, then like and subscribe for more valuable tech tips.